Yeah, I'm glad I don't live up north, is all I can say.
Okay. This weird noise has been going on for about a minute now.
I do not know what that